Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to delete all chats in Deepseek on any Android smartphone. Now first of all, make sure that you have installed Deepseek on your smartphone. Now once you have installed Deepseek on your smartphone, just open Deepseek. Now from here, tap on the two lines at the upper left corner of your display. Now as you can see, this is all the chats that I have on my Deepseek account. Just tap on your account's icon over here. Now from here, tap on delete all chats. From here, tap on confirm. Now go back. Now as you can see, we have successfully deleted all the chats in our Deepseek history. And this is how you can delete all the chats in Deepseek on any Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.